Okay, so this is the Chapter 3 quiz. So we're about halfway through Chapter 3. So here's the quiz that goes with it. Make sure you're following the directions here. And I'll go through the whole quiz, showing you the problems. You'll work them out, and then you'll go and do the assessment on Google Classroom. So number one, well, it says identify the terms and like terms in the expression. Do not combine like terms. So they don't want you to simplify this. They just want you to put what are the four terms and then group the like terms. Remember, if they have the same variable, they're a like term. If they're a constant, they're like terms. Over here, make sure you're watching. There are actually still four terms. Two of the terms will be negative and two of the terms are positive here. Again, don't combine like terms on number 2 as well. For the rest, we are going to be combining like terms if we can. So this just says simplify the expression. Really, this is a lot like just when we were doing integers at the beginning of the year, positives and negatives, adding them together. Don't drop the variable here. So it's 18v minus 15v. You'll get an answer here. 7d plus 5 minus 4d. Your final answer will have two terms because they are not all like terms. You cannot combine all of these. Just combine the like terms. Down here, when you're all done, right now it's 12x plus 9 minus 3x minus 4. When you combine the like terms, you'll be down to just two terms. So it's a simplified expression. And here, for number 6, 3 times, in parentheses, x minus 4, and the parentheses plus 5x. Remember, you do the distributive property first. And the biggest mistake people will make here is they will not distribute the 3 to both terms inside. They'll only distribute it to the first term. So make sure you don't fall into that trap. You will distribute the 3 to x. You'll distribute the 3 to negative 4. And then you combine like terms. For number 7 and 8, we're adding the expressions here. So it's 3x minus 5 plus negative 4x plus 1. Because we're adding and there's nothing to distribute, then you can just combine the like terms here. For number 8, there is something to distribute here. So remember, you'll multiply each term inside by 6. Then you'll combine like terms. There's nothing to distribute out here. And then for 9 and 10, that's the end of the front of this, it says find the difference. So nothing to distribute out in front of this first one, number 9, but there is for the second part here. There's a negative 1 you distribute. Remember, you have to multiply each thing in here by negative 1. Then you combine like terms. And number 10, you have to distribute 1/2. So remember, 1/2 times 6c and 1/2 times 4 is the same as saying 1/2 of 6c and 1/2 of 4. And don't forget to distribute this negative 1 to 8c and to negative 5. When you're all done with that, combine like terms. On the back, you have to just fill in the blanks here. So, same sign, and then here are the rules that we've been using for this entire time, okay? This is keep the sign of the bigger number part, okay? But you'll have to come up with these. And then for multiplying and dividing, same sign something, blank, blank, negative. Okay, so you'll come up with that. That's the rules we've been using for multiplying and dividing. And then finally, number 20, factor out the coefficient. Remember, the coefficient is the number of this variable term. So here's the variable, here's the coefficient. So you're factoring out a 7, which means you're dividing each of these terms by 7. You put the 7 out in front of the parentheses and whatever's left inside the parentheses. So don't forget that 7, once you factor it out, it does go outside the parentheses for your answer. Awesome. Well, I'm sure you'll do a great job on this quiz. Have a great day.